Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering credentials and the tools you need: your Xbox account, the Xbox mobile app, and access to your home Wi-Fi. Once ready, sign into the Xbox app and make sure your phone is connected to the same network as the console. This lets the app discover consoles on the LAN. Next, check the app's console list for any device labeled Xbox or the gamer tag you use. If the console appears, you can attempt a remote wake or display its last online time. You move on to network verification. Log into your router's admin page and view connected devices. Once there, look for host names that include Xbox or unfamiliar device names and note their IP and MAC addresses. If you have the console nearby later, match that MAC to the sticker on the Xbox or within Settings Network Advanced. Once you identify the IP, you can ping it from a phone or laptop to confirm it's active, and use that info to narrow physical search areas or to remotely wake the console if supported. You finish by triangulating network info with physical checks. Follow the identified IP to the room where that router port or Wi-Fi coverage is strongest, then look for the console near TVs, surge protectors, or stacked electronics. HDMI CEC sometimes powers the TV briefly when the Xbox wakes. If the console never appears online, check your Microsoft account's device activity for last sign and time. If you still can't find it, change your account password immediately and contact Microsoft support. This secures the console and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.